This is going to blow your mind. Ladakh. Even the name echoes with a rugged beauty. A land of high passes and ancient monasteries, it holds a special magic in winter. The air is crisp, clean, and still. The landscape transforms into a pristine wonderland. Ladakh in winter is a sanctuary. It whispers tales of peace and wonder. The journey begins. Every turn unveils a new vista. Towering peaks pierce the azure sky. Their slopes are cloaked in a blanket of fresh snow. The sunlight glints off the icy surface. It is a sight that steals your breath. This is Ladakh unveiled. The air is thin but exhilarating. Each breath is a reminder of the altitude, but also a reminder of the purity. There is a silence here that is almost deafening. It is the silence of nature at its most profound, a silence that speaks volumes. Ladakh in winter is a world away from the noise and chaos, a world where time seems to stand still. It is a place to breathe deeply, to reconnect with yourself, and to discover the extraordinary beauty of stillness. Imagine this. You are soaring high above the landscape. A drone carries your gaze across the vast expanse. Below, a sea of white stretches to the horizon. The snow-dusted mountains stand as sentinels, guardians of this frozen kingdom. From this vantage point, patterns emerge. The snow is not uniform. It reveals the contours of the land, the meandering paths of frozen rivers, the outlines of villages, huddled against the cold. And then, a splash of color. Prayer flags flutter in the wind. Their vibrant hues stand out against the monochrome backdrop, a reminder that life persists even in the harshest conditions. The drone descends. Closer now to the heart of Ladakh, you see the details, the intricate carvings on ancient monasteries, the smoke curling from chimneys, the laughter of children playing in the snow. The beauty of Ladakh lies in its contrasts, the starkness of the snow-covered landscape, the warmth of the Ladakhi people. Their smiles are as bright as the prayer flags that adorn their homes. Step inside a traditional Ladakhi home. The aroma of butter tea welcomes you. Intricately woven rugs add warmth. The walls are adorned with Buddhist thangkas. These colorful paintings depict scenes from the Buddha's life. Despite the isolation, life in Ladakh thrives. Monasteries cling to the mountainsides. Their golden roofs gleam in the winter sun. Inside, monks continue their ancient rituals. Their chants echo through the cold, clear air. Ladakh is a place where spirituality is palpable. It is woven into the fabric of everyday life. You feel it as you spin prayer wheels. You see it in the eyes of the people. You hear it in the whisper of the wind. The people of Ladakh are as resilient as the mountains they call home. They have learned to live in harmony with nature, to adapt to its rhythms. Their faces tell stories of hardship and resilience, but also of kindness and laughter. Life in winter is challenging, yet the Ladakhi spirit remains unbroken. Families gather around stoves, sharing stories. They celebrate their culture through music and dance. Their traditions are passed down through generations. Hospitality is deeply ingrained in Ladakhi culture. Strangers are welcomed with open arms and warm smiles. A cup of butter tea is offered as a gesture of friendship, a symbol of warmth in this land of ice and snow. The people of Ladakh understand the importance of community. They rely on each other for support. Their bonds are strong, forged in the crucible of a challenging environment. Their spirit is an inspiration. There is a certain peace that comes from being surrounded by such stark beauty. The world fades away. Your worries seem insignificant against the backdrop of the mountains. In the stillness, you can hear yourself think. You can breathe deeply. You can simply be. This is the magic of Ladakh in winter. It allows you to reconnect with yourself. The cold air invigorates. It awakens your senses. You feel more alive than ever, more present in the moment. The world slows down. You find yourself appreciating the simple things. Ladakh in winter is a meditation. It is a journey inward, a chance to escape the noise and distractions of modern life, to find solace in the silence. As you leave Ladakh, you carry a piece of it with you. The memory of the snow-capped mountains, the warmth of the Ladakhi people, the sense of peace that you found in the silence. Ladakh is a place that stays with you long after you have left. It is a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, that peace is possible, even in the midst of hardship. The world needs more places like Ladakh, places where we can go to escape the noise, to reconnect with ourselves. To remember what is truly important, Ladakh is calling. Will you answer?